Hello, I am Marwan Aburas. This presentation is the third and final part of our discussion on the 2023 criteria, the FDI. Our focus now turns to aesthetic criteria, the last one. Specifically, surface luster and texture, marginal staining, and color match. Creating crowns and veneers that look like the natural dentition is not simply about appearance. It reflects how well you have achieved functional biological criteria that support aesthetics. But over time, even most carefully crafted restorations may lose their luster. They discolor. They develop marginal staining and become rough. These signs often indicate a deeper issue: inadequate marginal adaptation, persistent coronal microleakage, marginal problems, or an endodontic problem, polymerization shrinkage. A very important area which we have given it special attention in the presentation because, especially with composite, small changes during curing compromise margins, weaken adhesion, and set stage for discoloration and failure. That's regarding composite. This remains one of the most important aesthetic issue and biological consideration. So these are the things I'm focusing on in this last presentation. I will also share case studies and clinical examples which I have drawn from international teaching resources, private clinics. I want to take you back and look back at the cast gold restorations. I've seen those. These cases were excellent because they fulfilled all the criteria we're talking about today. Excellent is produced regardless of the material if you do the criteria. The key message I have for you at the end, that when we meet the standards we've been discussing in the past three presentations, biological, functional, and aesthetics, we achieve restoration that not only lasts for a long time, like the cast gold ones, but also deliver brilliance, shine, and natural beauty of the modern ceramics like lithium disilicate, glass, and zirconia. These materials we have will give us excellence plus aesthetics. If we deliver these criteria we are putting together in these three different presentations. Thank you for your attention.